This is a view of the tube as it is currently installed. The problem that I'm having, and see if I can find a pointer. So this is a view that of the problem that I'm having with the tube. This piece right here, this elbow back here, the glass tube, or the glass part that comes out of the tube to connect to the water hose. If I rotate this so that this is actually up, that tube will sit on this surface and it will raise this entire glass tube up by at least a 1/4 inch, 7 millimeters. That creates a gap where this does not sit in the cradle properly. It can't. It hits this glass tube and keeps it off. So in order for this to fit, I have to rotate the tube. It's about 15, maybe 20 degrees. Rotated, rotated. So this sticker is not straight up. I don't know if that's a problem. What I do know is a problem is that this tube doesn't belong in this machine. If it did, I wouldn't have this problem. So I don't know. I don't know if this affects the performance of the tube or not. I will give you another view along the tube so you can see how far it's rotated away from this side up. You're looking down it. So there's your this side up. That should be here. And it's rotated about 10-15 degrees. So this tube does not fit.